Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's May 25th, 2025, Sunday pre-market. This is another pair that I'm looking at. This is NZDCAD on a 15-minute time frame. As you know, if you've been following me, you know that we have been selling off on Euro US on NZDCAD. We have been selling off on NZDCAD. Let me show you my entry that I'm in from last week on NZDCAD, right? Let's see. Let's take a look. Okay, I am in this sell right here. This is the 15-minute. The market came up to this area, right? We see that the market created this low, right? Market swept liquidity, grabbed this liquidity from this higher time frame zone and began to sell off. We can see that once the market reached this area, it gave us a strong 15-minute break. You can see the market came here, gave us somewhat of a flip model, pushed down, pushed up, created two zones, decisional and extreme. The market came to this level after it broke these two internal lower time frame lows, these fractal lows. Market pulled back up into the zone, accumulated, broke structure to the low, swept back up and broke structure to the right. So this zone has been liquidated and the market was moved. I entered here and I have an entry here on NZDCAD at 82,167 and another entry at 82,124. I am expecting the market to come down here. It could potentially respect this demand zone, push back up to rebalance price, right? Push back up to rebalance price, then continue to sell. So if you see this market come down here, respect this demand zone, begin to push up to rebalance price, favoring this liquidity block here, this order block here, and begins to sell, I will be looking for some type of sell entry from this area after the market push back up to rebalance price, because we have a strong fair value gap here. And it's very likely that the market will rebalance itself before the move down. This is NZDCAD. The market has already swept liquidity in the zone that I'm looking at. I already have two positions in the market. I am expecting the market to create some form of rally from this demand zone, but if it does continue to just break through the structure, you wait for a rebalance to catch the sell, because overall this is a higher time frame markup, and we're trading the lower time frame zones. So let's just look. I am expecting the market to come all the way down to the low of this move, this swing low. I am expecting the market to come all the way down to the low of this swing right here. So this internal 15-minute zones, we're just looking for another entry before we continue to mark it down to the 1 hour swing low. Okay, you guys, happy hunting. Once again, I am in two positions from last week. I am expecting, this is a quick recap, I am expecting the market to rally from this demand zone, come back up to rebalance price before the sell. Similar to what's happening with EU. And this is NZDCAD 15-minute time frame. You guys enjoy your day.